Indian Railways in the recent days after the slowing of second wave COVID-19 has introduced Vistadome coaches on two of its routes on Mumbai-Pune and Bengaluru-Mangalore sections. The railways are planning to introduce these on other routes as well, which includes the northeastern parts of the country as well. Experts concur with government's push for Vistadome coaches in popular tourist routes to help generate additional revenue for the Indian Railways. The fares of Vistadome coaches are kept at par with the executive class, which again may help the national transporter to generate additional revenue. India has the potential to attract the right share of travelers and to increase the tourism contribution to India's overall GDP. Besides other factors in the post-pandemic era, railway infrastructure for e.g. Vistadome will be a differentiator for attracting quality tourism from overseas and within India, said Vishnu Sudarshan, partner, J. Sagar Associates. Whilst Vistadome coaches have been rolled out on the Western Ghats stretch, but given the vast rail connectivity, natural beauty and tourist hotspots in India, there is an immediate need to revisit and repackage tourism infrastructure with renewed financial vigor. He further added that better infrastructure will help in attracting investments. Vistadome coaches have the potential to unlock the traffic potential on tourism routes and destinations which in pre-COVID situation were slowly being put out of play by Indian Railway. Vistadome coaches have the potential to unclog tourism demand and is a natural integrator into the overall package for private sector privatization, for example Mountain Railway, which is currently being contemplated. The Vistadome tourist coach is provided with a larger viewing area including rooftop glasses with 44 seats for passengers with rotation up to 180 degrees to face the direction of train movement. The coach is also having a Wi-Fi-based passenger information system. Seats are rotatable 180 degrees, whereas the wide and large windows will offer clear close-up view to the passengers. The Vistadome coach has been manufactured by Integral Coach Factory in Chennai on the LHP Link Hoffman Bush platform/technology. There are glass rooftops which offer view of the sky to the passengers. These rooftops have anti-glare screens too.